hit the jackpot with this high-end curated fabric bundle for mixed media and slow stitching. This olive green and cream 5-piece bundle of 8 by 10 and 8 by 16-inch cuts is truly a win. It includes a soft chenille in a olive, kind of a mix between an olive and a sage green. It's kind of hard to pick up the true colors on this video. I'm trying to get the angle right so you can see the true colors. It's not a blue green, it's actually an olive sage green right in that, right between those two colors. Okay, this is softer fabric. Now this right here is showing the true colors. I can see the colors really good from my monitor here. That olive green sage type color. And it's a light coating on the back, but not too much. Okay. And it pairs nicely with this piece. Now this is a coarsely woven fabric. It's a poly blend. If you're familiar with authentic African mud cloth, this looks like the mud cloth before they dye it, the undyed version. The texture looks a lot like it. Okay, see that? It's a kind of heavier weight, but it's not too bad. That's the back. Let's put those together. Okay, look at that. Nice texture. And now this piece is beautiful. This is an embroidered, not embroidered, but it's a top stitched fabric that kind of mimics hand stitching sewing, but it's actually done on the machine. And look at get a close up of that. And I'm gonna turn to an angle. You can see how it kind of almost has a slight quilting effect. So you can get that angle. Yeah, you can see it like there, right there. Okay, it's not kind of a cream color. This is the back. Really nice piece. Let's put those together. This together with the rest of the pieces. Look at that so far. Isn't that gorgeous? Now that would look really nice all together in a project. Okay, this next piece is a beige 100% linen. Now this is a lightweight, but it's not the thin handkerchief type. It does have a little more weight to it than that, and it's very closely woven. That's the back. Front and back is the same. And as you can see, you don't see any it's pretty opaque. You don't see any transparency through it, so you can see how tightly woven it is. Let's put that with what we have so far. You can see how all the ivory and creams, all of those are definitely coordinated, and they really look well next together. The hues of those ivories and cream colors. Okay, now all these pieces are 8 by 10 inches. This is a bonus piece. This is 100% silk, and it's actually 8 by 16 inches. And what it's a olive green color. Now it kind of looks in the monitor, kind of has sometimes a blue tint to it, but it's not. There's no blue tint, no blue green color to it. This is actually a warm color olive green. It's just hard to pick up on this monitor, especially with the sheen on the silk. It's kind of, I think it's a shantung or dupion, probably more closer to a shantung. And let me give you a close-up of that embroidery. You see there's an elephant right there. Okay, fern. Okay. Back. Like I said, this piece is a bonus piece in length because it's 16 inches rather than the 10 inch. So this is 8 by 16. And let's put all those together. So let's move this around a little bit so we can, there we go. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.